In this video, I will show you the AMAGNO interface. There are 4 important areas. On the left-hand side of the screen, you can see a blue bar. This is called the main menu. To the right of the main menu is the Structure Explorer, and this large white area here is the Content Viewer. Here you can see all of the files found in the selected folder of a vault. The area on the right-hand side of the screen is the toolbox. When you select a tab in the main menu, it will expand, showing you its contents. The toolbox is also context dependent, meaning that the content here also changes depending on your selection. To permanently display the toolbox, click the pin icon here in the upper right-hand corner. You can also pin the Structure Explorer. As you can see, there are different icons displayed in the main menu, so let's take a look at them. The icon at the very top shows the user who is currently logged into the system. Among other options, you can use this icon to make changes to your user profile. Below this, you can see a magnifying glass. This is the Search tab, and with this tab, you can start a global search across all vaults. The tab underneath this is for the vaults. Use it to navigate to any of the vaults to which you have access. Below the vaults, you can find the Contacts tab, and here you can interact with other users in AMAGNO. Next is the Messages tab. Here you can find all messages from other users related to specific documents or vaults, etc. The last tab is the Tasks tab. Here you will find your workflow tasks. In the lower left-hand corner, in the same column as the main menu, you can see the Minimize and Maximize options. The small dash symbol completely minimises the AMAGNO window, whereas the square activates the full screen mode. This logout icon here will close AMAGNO completely, and the connection icon next to the logout icon provides information about your current server connection. You can adjust the width of the bars according to your preferences. In the upcoming videos, I will teach you how to use the different AMAGNO features. Thanks for listening.